We got to recock all this stuff right here. You're just gonna take them out and recock it. You just gotta get a good grip. I think we're gonna put some concrete in here because it's a lot of dirt. You know, that's why the caulking didn't stick. See, it's a lot of dirt. So I'm just gonna put some concrete in here. It's crazy. Let's pull it out a little bit. Get it out, get it out. Whoops. So seam, a huge space between the floor and the brick. So I gotta use the mortar on here. Okay, I fixed this part already. Yeah, it's a huge hole, man. I think that's how I do the repairs, you know. Yep. I don't have the right masonry tools, but you know, I gotta make something work. That's a sponge sander. Now, we're about to paint this pool right now. Yeah, we got all this side already. Just a quick video. Yeah, we fixed all the cracks. Yeah, we fixed all the cracks. Yeah, this one really bad. All this done. We're working our way that way. Kurt's Magical Painting. We got the magic top. Then that's the finished product right here. Just finished the pool. So you get some good texture.